How to install One UI 8.5 3D icon on any Samsung. So let's start. First of all, we need to open Play Store, then install Icon Pack Studio, install and open it. Then search here, search pretty icon. Here you can see pretty icon. Select, download this. After download, select tap and open, and then apply this. Select OK, then again OK, OK. Here you can see our icon pack are downloaded. Then open it and install. Select more detail, install without scanning. Give your password, phone password. Open, go to home, open Galaxy Store, search here Good Lock. Install and open Good Lock. Here find theme park, install and open this theme park. Select icon, create new, tap on icon pack. Here you can see already download icon, so select this already downloaded icon, then press download, give some name, so then again select and apply this. So finally our 3D icon is ready. You can see here. Thanks for watching.